In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your Salesforce email limit. Whether you're managing a small team or overseeing a large enterprise, knowing your email limits in Salesforce is crucial for maintaining efficient communication and staying within your contractual boundaries. Let's dive right in and make sure you are on top of it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce setup page. You might already be familiar with this area if you've spent some time customizing or configuring your Salesforce organization. If not, don't worry, it's easy to find. Look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Salesforce interface and give it a click. Once you're there, you'll notice a search bar on the left side titled Quick Find. This tool is incredibly handy for locating specific settings or configurations without having to scroll through endless menus. Now type in company information into the Quick Find search box. As you type, you'll see a list of options appear, narrowing down as you go. When you see company information pop up, click on it. This page is a treasure trove of details about your Salesforce instance, from organization ID and user licenses to storage usage. As you scroll down through the company information page, you'll come across a section labeled Usage-Based Entitlements. This is where Salesforce tracks various limits and quotas based on your contract. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this section as it provides insights into your organization's usage of different resources. Within this section, you are looking for a row that mentions either list email or mass email. These rows are key because they track your email usage against your contractual allowances. By checking these metrics, you can verify how many emails you've sent and how many you are allowed to send. This information is especially important if you're running email campaigns or sending out newsletters, as exceeding these limits can result in additional charges or restrictions on your account. It's worth noting that Salesforce email limits can vary greatly depending on your specific contract and the type of Salesforce edition you're using. If you're unsure about your limits, or if you suspect they might not align with what you see, it might be a good idea to reach out to your Salesforce account representative for clarification. They can offer guidance and help ensure that your usage aligns with your expectations and needs. Understanding these limits not only helps in avoiding unexpected charges, but also in planning your communication strategies more effectively. It ensures that your emails reach your audience without a hitch, keeping your operations smooth and efficient. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can keep a close eye on your Salesforce email limits, making sure you stay well within your contractual bounds and maintain seamless communication with your contacts. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful Salesforce tips and tutorials.